Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to use door lock buzzer on the following car. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki infotainment system. Now let's select the settings, so this gear icon. From the list of settings, let's select the last option, which is the vehicle settings. So you can use this left side to choose this section, and let's select here the vehicle customization. Here you can find the door lock buzzer, and you can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle. So this controls the acoustic feedback from the car's interior. When you lock the car with your remote, the car will make a short chirp or beep sound to confirm it's secured. So if you turn this off, the car will only flash lights without making any noise. In my case, and I think in most cases, it's good to have this confirmation that your car is closed, so I'm keeping this feature enabled. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.